I came to college because I've always just sort of had a love for performing. I started performing in my church when I was quite young in a choir, and so it just sort of felt really natural to sort of come onto this.
I didn't have the opportunity to do performing arts anywhere else apart from here, and it was very highly recommended, one of the only places that was recommended to me. So once it was recommended, I had a look on all the socials and their website, and I decided I wanted to come here and be a part of it.
We focus on musical theatre, acting and dancing. So we have often a day committed to dancing and movement, and then we'll have a day committed to acting and a day committed to singing. And it's a really balanced mix, so everyone who wants to go on to certain pathways has a really good mix to see where you want to go.
My favourite part about the course has been doing the entire course, I think. I don't think I have a favourite. It's been a really good experience. I'm in my second year now, so everything's been going really well.
Oh, I love everything about it. My favourite is singing. I am naturally more musical theatre inclined. I'm not much of a dancer. But I just love everything. The atmosphere, the people, all the students and the tutors are amazing, all so friendly, and everything is just amazing.
The facilities at the college are very good. I think we're quite lucky to have what we have. Everything's accessible to us. Anything we want to use, to be able to learn to use, anything at all. We're all able to use it anytime.
We've got everything. We've got support staff if we feel emotional or we have anything mentally that we need to get off our chest. It's a very nice atmosphere here.
I learned about how determined I can be and the drive I have in me too, and the tutors have helped bring that out. When lessons and productions have got that just a bit hard, they've given me that extra push, and I found that I do have that extra push within me.
Normally, I was very academic in my career choices because that's just how I was raised. I thought academics should be the way, but coming here, it's just freed me from that, and I feel like I can just be who I want to be now. If anyone was thinking of joining the course, I would absolutely just say go for it, because you'll have the time of your life.